Subscribe to Tech Conclusion channel and press the bell icon to get notified about every new technology videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to my Tech Conclusion channel. So in this video, I just gonna unbox the one more of the best gaming keyboard, and this is the most unique keyboard I ever see in the market. So in this video, we will get the details about this keyboard. So make sure you are subscribed to my Tech Conclusion channel and press the bell icon so you won't miss any further videos. So let's get started. So guys, this is the gaming keyboard Keboard K55 RGB keyboard, and it's multiple RGB backlight modes with immersive effects, detective volume, media controls, command the volume of multiple devices, and macro keys, and much more options are available. And it's cost you around 3,000 rupees in the supercomputers and laptops, and it has a dedicated Windows key lock mode and dedicated volume media controls and 10 plus pre-configured the RGB backlight modes and immersive light effect, multi-key and ghost. So guys, let's open the seal first of all, and yes, let's unbox this. Yes, this is the outlet box of the keyboard, and this is the new keyboard. The wire is pretty long. Wow, check out this guys. This connector is so awesome. It's pretty good in all the ways, and it can it's very hard. It's useful for rough and tough use, and cable was also very nice. Okay, let's take out this cover. Wow, it has a glossy finish in the outside, and it has dedicated volume keys, lock, and multifunctional keys. These are the multifunction keys which you can configure, and it's pretty good. Okay, and in the back side, the tail up sticks for this, and let's see what's inside. Okay, okay, here we get the user guide for the keyboard. Okay, let's see what and all is there inside. Okay, the warranty against defects. Okay, the warranty guide, and wow, full in detail user manual. Okay, so what's next is here are some straps to attach these. Okay, yes, this is the attachment for the keyboard guys. It will get connected like this. Yes, this is the connect for this. Yes, it's pretty good for hand keeping on this one. Yeah, it's pretty good for this amount guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you are interested to buy this, you can just check out the link in the description. You will get all the details over there. It's cost 3,000 rupees guys, but it is worthwhile to buy this. So guys, let's test this by connecting this to my laptop. Okay, if you are a good gamer and if you are searching for a pretty good keyboard, then this might be the best for you guys. Check it out, the full description for more information guys. Hope you guys like this keyboard. It's just connected to my PC and I'm owning this. Yes, it gets on. Wow, it's pretty nice guys, right? We're having very much impressive on this one. So guys, you just saw the unboxing and full review of the keyboard, and this is pretty not budget keyboard. This costs you around 3000 rupees. It's available in the supercomputers and laptops, and this product also has been sponsored by them. I have given the full information in the description. Make sure you checked out that. And that's it for today, guys. I am waiting for your feedback in the comment section below. Hope you guys like this video. Meet you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.